If you've ever found yourself wondering what the heck is an ESP and a CTA, or maybe what's the difference between a landing page and a home page, then keep watching because in this video, I'm defining digital marketing terms for budding online entrepreneurs. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs like you get your business up and running online with a brand and website that connects with your dream clients. And you might be watching and thinking, yeah, Alli, that sounds great, but I can't even wrap my head around all of the online marketing lingo that I need to know and understand in order to get my business online in the first place. Don't worry though, I've got you. This video is the first in a series of 4 videos that will teach you what you need to know to get started. So let's dive in. Most likely, if you're building an online business, one of the first things you're going to need to do is choose a niche. A niche is a segment of a larger market. For example, if you're selling shoes, a niche may be boots. And if you want to niche down even further, you could go with hiking boots. Niche down even further, you could be selling hiking boots for women. And if you really want to niche down, you can sell hiking boots for women with wide feet. Once you have your niche determined, you're going to want to start thinking about the journey that they'll take from where they are now to the end result of making a purchase. This journey is often referred to as a funnel because it's in the shape of a funnel, where at the top you've got a lot of people coming in, and as they move along in the journey, some drop off along the way, leaving only a few that will actually make a purchase. Near the top of your funnel, when someone is interested in your product or service, they're called a lead. This is someone who has given you their contact information by having filled out your online form or opted in. If someone has opted into your offer, then they've completed your desired action or goal. Conversion is a term that describes this action. Some examples of conversions are subscribing to your email list, registering for your webinar or your workshop, downloading a coupon, or making a purchase. In order to convert, your lead had to click a button or a link on your website. This invitation to take action is called a call to action or a CTA. Some examples of CTAs are sign me up or buy now. A conversion rate then is the ratio of the number of people who've converted or taken the action you've asked them to take divided by the total number of visitors. So if 5 out of 100 visitors sign up for your email list or make a purchase, your conversion rate would be 5%. Often your visitors are opting in to get something, and that something is called a lead magnet or a content upgrade or a freebie. And what that is a free piece of irresistible content that you give away in exchange for their contact information. You see these a lot in the form of quizzes and workbooks and checklists, for example. Lead nurturing is how you keep the conversation going after they've signed up for your email list. This is often a series of emails or messages that engage your lead and motivate them to make a purchase. When you automate these emails to go out, it's called an email automation. So rather than having to create and manually send out emails every single time you get a new lead, you set up this email automation, you write, create, set up the automation, and send them out to every single person who signs up for your list automatically. An ESP or email service provider is a company that does email marketing, and that's what you need to use in order to set up an automation for your emails like I just talked about. Some examples of these are MailerLite, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit. Now, if you're wondering, how do I get people to my website in the first place, then what you're talking about is traffic. And in online marketing, traffic refers to the number of visitors that your website receives. Organic traffic refers to visitors who've landed on your website organically or naturally through unpaid efforts. So if someone finds your website in search engine results and clicks over to your website, that's organic traffic. Paid traffic refers to anyone who's found you through the result of paid advertising on search engines or social media platforms or other media networks. Another form of getting traffic is by using affiliate marketing. So an affiliate to your business is someone who promotes you, your products and services to their audience. And then when someone from their audience purchases, you pay them a percentage of the total price. You can also be an affiliate marketer for other people's products, services, or programs when you promote them to your own audience. Often businesses use affiliates to help them market what's called evergreen products. An evergreen product or an online program is one that's available anytime for purchase rather than just during an open cart live launch period. So whether or not you're launching live or evergreen, you're going to need a sales page. A sales page is a standalone page with one specific goal in mind, and that's to make sales. The only thing this page is meant to do is to convert your visitors into customers. Much like a sales page, a landing page is a standalone page that's designed to get your visitors to do one thing, take one action, or convert. Usually there's no other links on the page to distract them from doing the one thing you want them to do. Like, for example, download your lead magnet. Did you think that a landing page was the same as a home page? If so, you're not alone. It happens all the time. Home pages are often called landing pages because you land on them. But a home page is really the main page of your website, and its purpose is different. This is the page that acts as an introduction to your business and gives a bird's eye view as to what you have to offer and how you can help to solve your dream client's pain point. It's the starting point of your website. Kind of like how this video is just the starting point to share with you some of the terminology to running a business online. We've really just scratched the surface here, so be sure to subscribe to my channel because this video is part 1 of a 4-part series on this topic. So make sure you also click the notification bell so you get notified right when those videos go live. I'll see you next time.